So this is the redemption story of the door handle. The redemption story of the door handle, part 2. We're gonna change this one again. This one's even worse. But they said I did it wrong. We're gonna do it right. All right, let's see. This time I got the big boy with us. Where you put the quarter? All right, so we're gonna take the 9/16 and this and put it on the drill. All right, we got the 9/16 going, but we need to hold back. All right, let's make it happen. Push it out. Boom. Got it out. You
call me?
Huh?
You call me?
No, I didn't call you.
Oh, okay.
Take this. This is what they wanted, right? This is what they wanted. We don't do it like that. This is what they wanted. All right, let's see. So now I got the new piece on between the two brackets, and now I'm gonna tighten it up. Okay, got that going for us. Okay, now this has to come out. Close the door. And that's it, my friend. We just changed the door now. The door hinge is officially changed the correct way.